morning. Welcome to our program today. Actually, I am connected from Bandarawela, the Uva province of Sri Lanka, in this mountain resort city, which is very beautiful. I'm sitting in a weekday morning with a very nice sunshine, and you can see the views here. A lot of houses and trees, natural beauty. I don't know even the names of the mountains. So it's a really lovely place and very lovely city. And with me, I have Mr. Gamini Gunathunge, who is the Deputy General Manager, Uva Province of Sri Lanka Telecom, and also the Institute of Engineers, IESL Uva Chapter President. So welcome. Welcome to you, sir. Yeah. So yesterday actually we had an interesting session with engineers on role of engineers in adapting Industry 4.0 technologies, hosted by Gamini. Now I am as a reflection of that program, I want to talk to Gamini about, of course, his ideas and his work with reference to what we have done. So, Gamini, now I want to ask you your role as the DGM Sri Lanka Telecom and the IESL President. Yeah, what are you doing?
I am holding the Deputy General Manager's post in Uva Province, and I am looking after all the areas Bandarawela, Badul, Hatton and Nuwara, and I am large area, and I am very much responsible for the operation side in telecommunication in this area, and I am in my team looking after this maintenance, new development and other stuffs related to the network in this area. And as a IESL president in this year 2017 and 18 year, I wanted to do something, not actually something, but a larger scope. I want to do this awareness on new engineering trends in the world to this part of the area in Sri Lanka for the engineers who are serving in this area. So as a first attempt, yesterday we did a very successful event called Industry 4, the awareness program for the engineers.
So
first
I'll
time.
I'll come to that
Yeah.
one. But tell me your plan for this year, because I'm not a member of IESL anymore, but I know my communities are engineers. So what are you going to do for them for the year?
In this year we have actually planned, according to our IESL headquarters agenda, we have planned 4 technical sessions in 2018. Then we did our first one yesterday, and next one also within after around March, then July.
On what? What is the subject on?
Most probably it's most on 5th generation telecommunication, like that. Another 2 will be most probably the financial matters, financial management and the things which our engineers are somewhat weak in that area. So I want to do something for that.
No, I know. Yesterday I actually found that a lot of people attended, 50 or something.
Yeah, 70 people are there.
So in a place like this,
Yeah.
where you have to travel long distance and people are missing maybe family commitments.
Yeah.
So how do you manage such kind of
Actually speaking, we are around 200 kilometers away from Colombo. It's not a far distance when compared to other countries. Very beautiful area.
Right.
Every day we can enjoy our journeys.
Okay.
Unfortunately, now compared to the earlier stages, now the traffic congestion is somewhat higher.
Okay.
But the people most are serving here from all the areas of the country, but they are enjoying. They are like most people are working here with their families. Most people, but some are alone and they go.
So this is like, for example, in Colombo, the problem is that such kind of sessions, you can't take people easily because they are very busy.
Yeah.
Now here I think, as you said correctly, people may be enjoying in addition to their work. So this is an opportunity for them to come together, have a drink, have a discussion and updated knowledge. Okay. Now in addition to that, now you are MBA from University of Colombo,
Yeah.
the final stage.
Yeah.
And also, so therefore I know you have been very active in all the other activities in Colombo MBA. So tell me how, it's also mainly for my MBA students and the alumni. So how your MBA knowledge and that experience help you in your job and anything you do?
Actually, thanks to the MBA interview panel for selecting me for the MBA. It's a great opportunity I got in my career life as well. So with that, I could gain the huge knowledge, and actually, I used to see something in different manner
Okay.
through this MBA program.
Right.
And I got the opportunity to learn from various type of lecturers in various style. Most probably, I think you have done a very marvelous lecturing for us in e-business in a different style, actually in the Harvard Business School style, and then we did a good simulation program that is good for us. It's a very novel experience for us. That is very good. It's useful for my day-to-day life.
So now I want to ask also a supportive question.
Yeah.
Now I'm only an engineer.
Yeah.
I like more engineer side of management.
Yeah.
But I see when I am teaching, what I find is engineers come to do MBA very late,
Yeah.
whereas marketers or other professionals do it earlier. So what is your message to, let's say, young engineers? Why they should do MBA, for example?
In Sri Lankan context, when engineers are qualifying more and more, they are entering to the management field. Not they are doing the designing or doing real engineering, but they are entering to the management field. Because of that, they should gain the management knowledge in addition to the engineering. Therefore, they should, with their experience, 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years experience in engineering, they should get the management knowledge, business knowledge, how they can serve to the people, and
So
like
you
that.
basically are encouraging
Encouraging engineers to do the MBA.
Right. So now Gamani is a good example of engineer. Now he's of course a senior manager, but who's really applying his MBA knowledge or business knowledge into business, particularly one of most advanced technological business in Sri Lanka, Lanka Telecom. Okay. Now my final question, final area of questioning is about Industry 4.0. Now I remember when I was talking about this in one of my classes, Rami was very active and enthusiastic, not necessarily buying customer, but he asked a lot of questions. We had debates in the class with other people, but within 1 year, so he kind of became the guy who introduced Industry 4.0 to Uva, or mountain or hill country in
Actually,
Sri Lanka.
first time.
The first time, yeah. So the guy who introduced the first time, and he had a very large gathering and high-profile gathering. So, what is your reflection on our session yesterday, and how you are going to? You think it's going to be useful, and are there any other?
Yes, of
ideas?
course. When I talk this about in my executive committee in IESL, actually they don't know what is Industry 4.
Right.
And I gave
You mean in Colombo or here?
No, here because before this event we gathered our executive committee to organize this event, and actually they don't know what is Industry 4 is. Then I gave a very little introduction what is this and how we can learn and how we can do this with Industry 4 and their applications. What are the mega trends like that? So that they actually got some sort of a passion to participate with that. And actually they yesterday because of I got the feedback, and they really enjoyed with they actually though they are engineers, they got this awareness first time.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So I mean I think a lot of people ask question about this, and they experience how 3D printing, one of the manufacturing mega trend part is 3D printing, and they actually really enjoy with the 3D printing, and it's a good opportunity to them to look things in a different way, and they know that how they should go for the future with the new trends, how they should prepare for the new trends, like that.
Right. So now this is a very interesting kind of observation also, and also kind of good feedback for us. Now we as Fab Lanka for example, my team based in Sri Lanka as well as in the United States, in other countries, they'll be very happy to hear this kind of positive and constructive feedback. And but as Gamini mentioned, we had very senior, high-profile, high position holding engineers and young guys. So we saw also very interesting kind of gesture. But of course, for Industry 4.0 is a big thing, so it's not one day hook in. So there will be more exploration, more questioning, and more learning. So I want to thank you for all.
Before that, I want
yes,
to add some things. As we did in the last evening, Industry 4 and their awareness is very much important to introduce to Sri Lanka. So I would suggest you to include these things into the curriculum of A levels, maybe in the initial state, and now you can, introduce this to the engineering universities. I mean that Moratua, Peradini, right. And then this is a new trend. Then we have to train. We have to get rid of the conventional curriculums from the universities, and this is a good thing. And we should train these people to this, and I think you have a good opportunity to do this, and you have courage to do that, and you can do that. Then I will suggest you to do that things, and as a teacher. And I must be thankful to you, because you'd have been met me some time ago, because then I will be enlightened that one. So thankful for your meeting and for your awareness and everything. Actually, you are a very good resource person and a very good friend also, right. A very good person. And thank you very much for your coming here and enjoying with us and sharing your knowledge.
Okay, thank you very much, Gamini, for your sharing and also his hosting.
Yeah.
I also want to thank on behalf of Lanka team, who has been actually working with us to make this realized. So as you kind of suggested, we try our best to do this to other communities and get it to mainstream. Thank you very much.
Thank you.